So in this Coinbase tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Filecoin, ticker symbol FIL on Coinbase. So once you're here in Coinbase, go to the trade tab. So I'm on it right now, but let's just say, for example, you're on the earn tab. Just simply go to the bottom and press on trade. Once that is done, press on search for an asset at the top. Once you're on this screen, type in ticker symbol FIL. To bring up Filecoin at the top. Once that is done, press on Filecoin, then press on trade, then press on buy Filecoin with cash. So once that is done, you can just go ahead and press whatever amount that you want to invest into Filecoin. So I'm just going to go ahead and press $2 for this demonstration and then press on review order. Once that is done, we're actually going to go ahead and take this to the final screen now. So just bear with it for a couple more seconds where it finalizes your order. And there you go. To officially finalize your order, go to the bottom, press on place order. And that's how you guys can buy Filecoin, ticker symbol FIL on Coinbase. And I hope this video helped.